no. Oh, I thought you were already sleeping. Sleeping ba to? Ah, it's Friday. Ate Aimee, salamat po. Oh my gosh, pinahirapan ko talaga yung sarili. Anak, saan ako pupunta sunod? Hindi ko siya mahihilan. Nasaan ko na? Ano ba kulay? Saan ba may kulay? Salamat po, Ate Aimee. Pinapahirapan ko lang po yung sarili ko. Wala akong magawa sa buhay ko. Gusto ko yata talaga yung nahihirapan. My God. Saan ka ba? Okay, good job. Good job daw. Nahihirapan na nga ako. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. Blue, blue, blue. Okay, saan ako maghahanap ng blue? You're not there. Blue. May damo. Ito may damo. Tama yung picture. Red. Krishna sister, thank you so much. If I finish this puzzle, I will end. But now I'm really, my eyes are hurting. It's hard. Dan na po ako, Sir Rene. Ito si Carol, another highlights na to. Ano? 10 minutes na highlights. Ayan, nood na lang po ako ulit ng isa mong ano, Sir Rene. Isa mong highlights. Wait lang. Videos. Ito na lang pong highlights mo ng kumusta mga kapatid? Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Okay, Krishna, I will watch again. Okay, let me see. Let me see which video I can watch for you. Krishna. Krishna, Krishna. Let me see. Video. Let me go to your playlist, Krishna. Krishna, I will play this playlist. Radha Rani Bhajan Spekar. Is this special? I will watch this playlist. 13 videos. Okay, Krishna sister. You're welcome. Thank you also for the support. Right now, I'm having a hard time completing the puzzle. Hi, Sally. Pinahirapan mo talaga. Oh, are you here? Are you here? Yeah. I see the greenhouse. Oh, there you go. All right. This one. The one in the red. I don't know where this one fits. Where do you fit? The one with the many damo. Gosh, hindi ko sasakto sa isang oras ay dalawa. Nag-starro din pa ako sa highlights mo ha, yung 10 minutes. Then, si Sir Rene, playing din ako sa highlights niya. Saan na ba yun? Yan. And then, si Krishna, playing ako sa playlist niya. Pero tapos na ako kay Sir Rene. O, iba na itong nagpa-play. Ads tayo para madagdagan. Kailangan highlights ko na tayo.